bird on the wire. Some may say I sit on the fence. There is no need for any aggressive defense. I am aware that negativity can only cause deep-rooted pain. There are times two close friends can become cross, but recall the great times before all hope is at a loss. It's often fear and judgment raising its ugly head. False evidence appearing real. At those times you need to gently tread. We all fear loss, not being heard, or having worth. This is normal and happens in every corner of the earth. For me, there is only love, though the depth does vary. I'm a peace-loving starseed, little bit human, but mostly fairy. So friends, please realise sometimes in life your paths may part, but release the fear and loathing. Instead, hold only love within your heart. I know many tales of a maiden and a knight. Deep-seated fear of losing a close bond brings on a fight or flight. Remember, feelings and emotions are often reflected. Look deep within and realize the true reason you are affected. Please, if it's possible, to forgive, do, but maybe don't forget. That friendship that was once so strong is not over yet. My words create a spell. May they work their magic well.